Alright, so hello world, welcome back to our final video on FormMaker. Maybe the final, who knows. So today what we're going to work on the final deployment. Deploy it to Heroku to conclude our build a FormMaker using Django. So let's take a look. There is a great Medium article that specified everything you need to. We'll see that I constantly refresh back to here because there is no way that I can remember all these steps. Alright. So we'll go ahead and get started. So let's see. You need to go ahead and do that. But since I already deployed a Jingle project and I didn't use a Python environment, which is bad, so it's installed globally, so I don't need to do this step again. But you do need to either do pip install Jingle Heroku and gunicorn, or pip in or whatever your environment is to install it. Then double check if you can run. Okay, so this is where we're gonna start. First, configure the Jingle Heroku. So we're gonna go to top of the setting file in our project directory. And in here, let's go ahead and say import Jingle Heroku. Now, at the very bottom file, we'll go ahead and do this. So we'll go ahead and type Jingle Heroku.setting and locals. And then let's configure static assets. So we're gonna say above Django.contrib.static files. Excuse me for my phone noise. Excuse me about that. We're gonna add it right here. Django.contrib.static file. Yep. And then here is right under the security middleware. Right there. Let's see. At the bottom of the file, make sure you have these defined. Not very bottom. And you're gonna say import OS as well, I believe. Alright, so that's what we did. Feel free to pause this video because it's gonna go in a little bit too fast, maybe. Next, database configuration. So we're gonna say import this as well. Import DJ database URL. Right under database dictionary. Database dictionary is right there. Take this. Almost there. Alright. Next, gonna create a standard proc file. Not profile. Proc file. FormMaker.wsg. Liner. And then let's see, we will not do that. We will not do that because I'm going to show you, we're going to always connect to Heroku, but you could do that once you have Heroku installed because then you have to have CLI installed, how to authenticate via the CLI. That's a little bit complicated. So we're just going to log in using Github. So let's see, get in it. We need to see, let's see. Let's see, okay. Let's see, okay. I don't think we need that. So now what we need to do is this. We're going to use the GitHub account. FormMaker. By the way, I will link this Medium article down in the description as well. So this is my GitHub dashboard. GitHub repository. So I'm going to make another commit. But here also say something like this. We also say requirements.txt. Let's see if this article mention. I don't even think I mentioned requirements.txt at all. We have to have that. So let's see. We'll do a pip installed. Jingle Heroku. So we need Django, Heroku, gunicorn. Okay, I believe we can put this here as well, just in case we need that. Actually, I don't think we pip in install. Yep, I don't think we need any of other modules. It should be good. Let's go ahead and add this. Oops. I don't want that VS Code folder. Alright. Commit M in here, just gonna say deployment committed, deploy commit origin master. Alright, let's do that git thingy. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go Heroku. But if you don't have Git set up, that's gonna be a completely new stuff. But just make sure you at least have a GitHub account where then you can just drag and drop all your files. And then go to Heroku.com. Go create a file if you haven't yet. We're gonna create a new app. The app name is just gonna be form maker. Form maker. Alright, let's go ahead, click on create app. We're gonna say connect to GitHub. Form maker. Let's go ahead, search for it. I'm gonna say click on connect. Alright, we're gonna say master. And we're gonna say enable automatic deploy, and we're gonna say deploy branch. So then we can go ahead, wait for a minute, and then let's take a look. There's still one more step to go, which is to actually to deploy, to actually set up like our database, new database. So we'll take a look about that. This is supposed to be a short video, by the way. Just a quick deployment, and can work for all the projects that we have. So that's good. Let's go wait 1 second. Compressing. Almost there. Launching. Alright, you're just gonna wait several more seconds. Then it should be released and deployed. View, let's see, do we got any major errors? Alright, nice. So the whole thing works. Obviously, we want to say debug is false, but since it's just a sample deployment, I don't think that really matters. But yeah, it does matter. Better to set debug equals to false. Let's see what else. Let's see. Go to overview. Actually, let's go to yeah, we're gonna go here. I think I automatically have Heroku Postgres set up. Let's go create an account then. Let's go say auth register. Type a username, password. Email, gonna use what we call temp mail, just for temporary mailing purposes. So I don't need to worry about deleting and do other stuff. Submit. Oh, okay. Alright, yep, here's a step. Now what we need to do, once had this ready, we need to run this. Your terminal actually had to have Heroku CLI installed anyhow. We have to run Heroku run. So I will link all these procedures. So you have to have GitHub, Heroku account, and Heroku CLI set up. Here it will say Heroku run. Python manage.py migrate. Since we have these migration file already set up. Oops. And we'll say have an A. For me, it's form maker. Let's go and run this. So you can run Heroku run and put whatever bash commands there. Alright, with our bash commands there. Apply everything. Cannot cast integer type. Whew. Okay, 1 second. Let's see. Heroku. Actually, let's say make migrations. Let's see, is there any additional migration to make? No. This is weird. I don't know when this happens. Let me go search it up. Maybe see what stuff can we get. From revert migration. Okay, so which model it is? So we'll go ahead and take a look at this article. So here we'll say it's form, alright. 0003. Alright. So it said that we cannot alter what we cannot say. Okay, I don't know this. We actually had this trouble here. Okay. Okay, I don't think we can use UUID. For that, but let's take a look. So it's a temp ID. Not sure what it is, so let's take a look at the models.py. That's in here. Oh my god, there's so many UUID fields. Everybody is a UUID. Alright, great. So, okay, let's see. We'll go ahead and add temporary. I'm gonna comment these lines out. Not sure how that work out. Never hurt to try something like this, I suppose. Sorry, this is supposed to not intentionally to happen, of course. Run Python manage.py make migrations. Oops, not Python, Python 3. Alright. At primary key equals true. One second, let's go ahead with them one by one. I don't need this clear. Alright. Alright, we altered. Rename it to ID. Don't know what will happen now. And worse than one locally. Oops, 1 second. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Alrighty. Alrighty. So Python 3 manager for migrate. Hopefully there's no error. Okay, database mismatch. It's all good. You can see that error. Let's say added new migrations files. Push version master. Alright, so now it should automatically run this as well. So if you take a look at our activities, you can see that's a building progress. We'll wait here. Let's take a look. Alright, I'm gonna assume the build is finished. Has finished. Okay. Now let's run the command again. Hope this time it will work. Okay. Well, that's a weird error. Let me search this there instead. I don't even think it's supported at all. Okay, I don't even think it supports, you know. Okay. Well, you know what? I think we'll have to change it back to an integer. And we don't need to worry about that at all. So here, the integer field. Let's see. So we don't need this anymore. Don't need this. I need to change it to integer field. Integer field. Let's see. No, I need your ID anymore. I need you to be integer field. I don't know why. Maybe PostgreSQL database don't support it. Just run this one more time. All right. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Oh god. Okay. So the goal is to run it without any issue, hopefully. Take a look at the form maker. In progress. Let's be able to build. Give it a couple minutes to do that. And then let's try that one more time. Alright, we're finished. Let's run this. Okay, I think it. Okay, well, the worst case scenario is I have to delete all these migrations files. I don't need to delete authentication, that doesn't really do much. Dashboard, do I need to delete them? No, I don't even have anything. Okay. Well, if that's the case, we'll try this one more time. If it doesn't work, then we'll proceed by deleting all of them. And then we'll retry this again. So we want to remigrate because have an issue in 003, so it won't proceed unless we fix that first. Oh god. Okay. Let's go ahead and delete. And let's just double check the view, see if anything we involve using UID. No. Alright. Then here we'll just say Python 3 manage.py make migrations. It should remake all the migrations, no module named ForMaker. Oh shoot, I deleted. Didn't have no module named. Oh god, it's taking much longer than expected now. Why do the model aren't loaded yet? That's a weird issue. Pretty sure the setting file mess with that up. Oh god. Okay, let's see. I think doesn't matter, does it? Okay, we'll take a look. We'll go to these settings and I'm gonna wait, did that delete the entire folder ForMaker? Oh god, okay, messed the whole thing up. Okay. Okay, well, oh, why did I delete the entire form folder? Okay. This is troublesome. Okay, I don't know how to revert in Git, so the fastest will be make a new repository called ForMaker. Actually, let's remove their ForMaker. Can we do -F? Remove their. Okay. We'll just open this. I'm gonna remove it to the trash bin. Oh, actually, let's see if I can just find you in the trash. Oh, you're right here, right? Alrighty, let me just drag you back in. Maybe that's actually faster. Open that. one more time. Okay, let's do Python 3 pi, make migrations. Okay, let's do this. Let's do git add, commit, reset it, migrations files, git push. No, git push version master. Let's go ahead and patiently wait for a few seconds. Wait 1 second. Okay, we're just gonna get the command ready. Heroku run. Make migrate. For maker. Build finished. Run this. So hopefully this sign can run this. Alright, fair. I don't know why it's only applied one. Alright, well, I mean, I run this command, so. Alright, we're just gonna run it another time just to check. In the meantime, let's see if register works. Email. Where's my temp mail? Okay, I don't know if this account successful or not. I mean, to be honest, I don't really want to create a table. I'll register, so it's gonna happen. Oh, okay, yep. So now asking for our email address, doesn't it? Okay, all right. So we need our email password. Oops. Let's see. Yep, we need our email password. So then what we could do is we could just set it up in the config, that secret code part there. But beside that, everything else is good. So yeah. Yep, that's pretty much it after I set up the environment variable. So in here, what you can do is you can go overview. After go to settings, here you can review config vars, and in here you can add a value. So here you could possibly just add the email password and whatever your email password is. All right. So this is basically the deployment process. I will link out this documentation I use in the description down below. Thank you for participating and watching this series. If you enjoyed this, please smash the like button and subscribe button as well. Hope you're staying safe, and I will see you next video. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye.